It's Lily Manda from Pink. Today, I want to share with you a new tool I use for helping me to grow my email list. We all know that it's important to make the effort and make the time to grow our email list, but it can be really time consuming if we don't have the right tool. I recently discovered this new tool called ManyChat, and it builds automation to guide people and encourage people to join my email list. And I'm super excited to tell you all about it. I have seen some examples, people using this tool to do all sorts of creative things on Instagram. For example, they will say, I'll leave this word in the comment below. I will send you my checklist. I'll send you my ebook and things like that. And I was really impressed how creative this tool can be. There are so many ways you can be creative with using this tool. In the beginning, I was skeptical about this tool. Does it really do the job right? Because it is a bot after all. But after I signed up, I was really excited to try out all the new features. And after I got everything up and running and tested, I was super impressed because it just made me feel so techy. And I can get this up and running automatically. It doesn't matter when. It's 24 hours, 7 days. So now let me show you my setup of ManyChat and how I implement this tool and what features I use to grow my email list. Email list is so important for my business because once people sign up, they are more likely to buy from me. So here I have one automation. You can come here, you go to home, contact, automation. This is the dashboard here. So I am on automation right now. And this is my automation. I set it up through one of the templates. And you can just click here to add a new automation. I will leave the link in the description so you can go ahead, try it yourself. So I'm just going to show you. This is my setup. And these are the instructions. The yellow labels, like yellow stickers, they are instructions from the template. So let me zoom in so you can see. So ignore the sticker right now, okay? So this is the trigger. So when people send me a message that contains photo shoot, and I'm a portrait photographer, or they click on my ad, we will show them this message. Once they click on or they send me a message, photo shoot, they will get this message. Okay, so should I send you the link for signing out my email list? If the answer is yes, please, then the next message will be I sending out the link. Okay, just as simple as that. And of course, you need to have a post or a video to instruct people to do it. I've seen often people use Reel on Facebook and Instagram. They will just say, message me, DM me, or leave certain words in the comment below. My words, I chose photo shoot. You can choose anything you like. Or people comment below will immediately DM for this message. And this is a very simple setup. And let me show you my ad so you know how everything works. It's just showing you example. This is ad library. These are the ads I'm running. So I'll just click on see details here. And I can just click on the ad here.
Are you ready to celebrate you? Join our email list and be the first to know about exclusive photo shoot specials.
By the way, I use AI to create this video, so I don't have to be in the camera and I don't have to talk. That's Caption AI. I have another video about Captions AI. I will leave the link in the description. It's a quick way to generate videos. If I go back to automation and I just click here. So let me go to edit automation here. And here I can preview what it looks like. So this is the message over here. So in Facebook, that's how it looks like. Okay, I'm going to show you there's also a preview on Facebook ad. So I come to here and I select flow. This is how it looks like from the preview from Facebook. And this is Messenger. This one is Instagram. Okay. And it's just super easy to use. Whenever people click on the ad, they will get this message straight away. And if they say yes, please, there will be another message to send them the link. Okay, just as simple as that. And you can track who actually click on your ads and everything. Here's a live chat you can see. Okay, I have 2 messages here. Okay, so this is just a quick view about how you can use ManyChat to grow your email list. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It will really help me to grow my channel and share with you more tips and tricks. It's Lily Manda, and I will see you in the next video.